Thinking about painting your walls? Whether you're selling your house, updating your space, or just tired of staring at off-white eggshell, this video's for you. Today, I'll walk you through why painting matters, what tools you'll need, how to do it right, and how to make it look like a pro job, even if it's your first time. Let's turn those boring walls into something bold with DIY with Dad. Painting your walls is one of the most affordable ways to transform your home. A fresh coat of paint instantly modernizes a space, boosts your mood, and can even increase your home's value. Color affects how a room feels. Light tones open up a room. Darker tones add coziness, and the right color can take a space from me to wow without knocking down a single wall. Here are a few ideas to modernize your home through color light grays and warm whites. Make a space feel clean, updated, and bright. Sage green or navy blue are on trend for accent walls. Soft beige or tan warms up bedrooms and living rooms. Pale blues or cool greens add a relaxing vibe to bathrooms. Stick to neutral bases if you plan to sell soon. They appeal to more buyers. But if you're staying, make it yours. Before you start, you'll need the right tools. Here's your checklist and what each item does. Drop cloths or plastic sheeting. Protect your floors and furniture. Painter's tape keeps lines crisp where wall meets ceiling, trim, or outlets. Sandpaper or sanding sponge for smoothing rough spots or patchwork. Putty knife and wall filler for patching holes and dents. Angled brush, 2-inch, for cutting in along edges and corners. Paint roller with extension pole, covers large areas quickly. Paint tray and liners. Holds and distributes paint for roller. Respirator mask or basic face covering, protects from fumes. Box fan or open windows, crucial for ventilation while working indoors. And of course, your primer and paint of choice. Now for the prep work. Don't skip it. This makes or breaks your final result. Move furniture out of the way and lay down your drop cloth. Remove light switch covers and outlet plates. Fill holes and dents with wall filler. Let dry, then sand smooth. Wipe down the walls with a damp cloth to remove dust. Tape off edges, baseboards, trim, and fixtures you don't want painted. Clean, smooth, and prepped walls equals smooth, professional-looking paint. Priming is optional in some cases, but it's recommended if you're covering dark colors painting raw drywall or switching from glossy to matte. Apply primer first, using the same brush and roller method. Now for painting, you've got two main options. Rolling, great for beginners, affordable, less mess. Spraying, faster, more even coverage, but requires masking everything and more setup. Pro tip: cut in first, using your angled brush around edges and corners. Then fill in large areas with the roller using a W or M pattern. That helps spread paint evenly and avoid streaks. Let your paint fully dry. Then pull the tape off at a 45-degree angle for sharp edges. Now's the fun part. Admire your work. Add a little accent lighting, natural sunlight, or warm LED fixtures, and you'll really see that new color shine. A fresh coat of paint plus the right lighting equals a room that feels brand new. Painting might seem like a small job, but it can make a huge difference in your home's look, feel, and even value. If this video helped you feel more confident, let me know in the comments. What's the next project you want to learn? Trim work? Accent walls? Full room makeovers? Don't forget to like and subscribe to DIY with Dad for more real-world step-by-step DIY guides. Let's make home improvement easy, one project at a time.